The Komcot 7-in-1 High Chair is an incredibly versatile piece of furniture that adapts to your child's growing needs, effortlessly transforming into various modes, such as a full-size high chair, low chair, and even a study table. This high chair includes a double-sided table and chair set, providing both a smooth surface for dining and studying, and a building block table for imaginative play. With its innovative 360-degree rotating seat, the Komcot High Chair allows your child to reach their food from any angle, making mealtime more accessible. Crafted from high-quality materials, this high chair is designed with safety in mind, featuring a 5-point harness system and a stable pyramid structure with anti-slip foot pads. Parents will appreciate the ease of assembly and cleaning thanks to its tool-free setup and the removable waterproof tray that can be quickly wiped clean. The thoughtful design of the Komcot High Chair ensures there are no hidden crevices for food to get trapped, offering busy parents a hassle-free cleaning experience.